Hello everyone, my name is David and I work on the 3D scanning team here at GoEngineer. Today we're going to take a quick look at Creaform's VX Inspect software, specifically the quality control version. This version includes several toolsets that are not available in the standard VX Inspect analysis version. I'll point out these toolsets and how to run a multi-part inspection. The first toolset unique to the quality control version is the ability to create datum reference frame alignments as well as support for various GD&T requirements. The second unique toolset is the ability to use probing to measure entities, both hard probing with Creaform's Handy Probe and optical probing with Creaform's MaxShot photogrammetry system. The third toolset, which I'll demonstrate, is the ability to run an existing inspection plan against additional parts with minimal effort. Let's take a look. Okay, so here we have an inspection program on this part here. Part number 1, you can see the name of the part shown, and we have the inspection program, which consists of a bunch of these entities that we created ultimately to create these dimensions that you can see on the tree as well as on the screen. So I'm going to say add part to basically add a second part here. You can see on the inspection program, all these entities now have question marks. That's because they haven't been measured yet until we go ahead and say measure all. That will prompt us to basically import a second mesh in this case. And I'm going to go ahead and get mesh number 2. And I need to say accept. And when I say accept, it actually runs the inspection program from the first part against the second part. So basically, without any effort, the inspection part is done with part number 2. You can see if I hover and touch part number 1 and then part number 2, that indeed the dimensions are changing on the screen, just to validate that. So let's say I forgot to add something, like let's say I wanted to add a color map to one of these parts. So I just add a color map. And the cool thing about this is that actually running the color map against one of the parts actually creates, in this case, a color map for both of the parts. So I have 2 separate color maps, one for each part. So that's a pretty cool feature. So that's about it for this video. Just to recap what we did, I explained some of the differences on the toolsets between the quality control version of VX Inspect as well as the analysis version. And I also showed how to run an inspection program against 2 parts. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye for now.